6 a.m. Saturday, June 7th, as the village of Naxos warms up, comes to life. There's our grocery store, and of course the continued progress on the Sphinx and the doves. There's lots of doves here, much to the happiness of little Miss Naxie. Little Miss Naxie comes up every morning and she scratches on the doormat, sharpens her claws, and lays down on the mat, waiting for us to come out. We're heading to the Naxos airport via the bus at, 8 o'clock. We'll head down there to the port and jump on the bus, Gus. Make a new plan, Stan. No need to be coy, Roy. There she goes. Her favorite place. Like threading a needle. And that's what we'll be doing here in about 3 hours. The turbojet aircraft from the Naxos airport. Here we are checking out of the Naxos penthouse Airbnb. It's been a wonderful stay, and we are on our way to a greater day. And there's those crazy bells. It sounds like a church emergency. And here we are, making our way to the bus stop on an early Naxos morning. People coming, people going. Gonna try to catch the 8:30 bus. So here we are at the bus stop, down at the port. Here's the little tour bus building where we got our tickets last night. Here's a Sea-Jets Super Runner jet in the port. This might be it. Here at the Temple of Apollo. Well, there's another one. He's pointing. We made it.
We did.
Bye bye, Temple of Apollo.
Καλημέρα, παιδιά σε όλους, καλημέρα.
We are at the airport. And now for a 300-meter walk to the airport. So that's where the bus lets you off. And this is the walk to the airport. Little exercise. The walk to the airport includes a beautiful botanical garden. Oh, shells, what the heck is that? Holy smoke! How did they get there? Oh, this must be where the rich people live. Airport. So here we are. Naxos Airport. After an invigorating stroll. So this is the flight that just came in, and that's where they go to get their check to baggage apparently. There it is, Sky Express.
For your safety on this aircraft, there are 4 emergency exits, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear part of the cabin. All exits are marked green exit signs. In case of an emergency evacuation, fly approximately escape path along the aisle will grab the nearest exit. In that case, you must leave all your personal belongings behind. Η ζώνη του καθίσματος σας ασφαλίζει πιέζοντας τη μία άκρη μέσα στην άλλη, εφαρμόζοντας και το βίκτυο στην άλλη άκρη στο έξω.
Well, here we are. We made it to our gate, 16A. Next flight, Chania. The bus has arrived, and we are maybe going to get on it. Back on the bus.
Nice.
So we put all of our trips on there.
Nice.
No wonder this flight was full. It is. See you in Chania.
Hi.
Planes will land rough. Welcome to Chania. There's Miss Betty Boop. Welcome to Chania. And here we are, Chania Airport. And away we go. So, we have arrived. Yeah, I didn't hear him at first. Did he say it was too narrow to come down here?
Yeah, it's one way.
Oh, looping around?
Yeah.
Uh-huh, okay. Makes sense. You think it's that one? Oh, this one.
See if it's 16.
Okay, we figured this out. There was a key in the box there that opens this access door. And the access door gives you access to the stairs and the elevator. Who would have thought? And it's like a old skeleton key. Well, I finally figured out how to open the door. Oh, there's the washer, shower, and oh, you got a little balcony out there. And let's see. Oh, feels like the bed might be soft. Here's the little kitchen. Refrigerator. Agua. Lots of room. Very nice. Okay, time to get our bearings. And here we are, we're heading to the grocery store. Turns out right behind us back there, literally 1 block down, is the beach with tons of people. And it looked like food places. Well, I'm gonna have to check that out for sure. Aha! And so here's the market, supermarket, coffee and more. And they definitely had more. They had a lot of good stuff there. And it's just a 3-minute walk from the apartamento here in Chania, Crete. The lady proprietor was extremely helpful. She guided us to all the stuff we needed. And they even had little packets of jam and jelly.
Butter.
And little packets of butter. Yeah. Fantastic. And here we are. Man, we had no idea this place was hopping like that. Look at those stones.
Real what? They're amazing.
Isn't that amazing? I think this is where the barefoot vlogger walked through.
Hold on, guys. This is where the beach meets the walkway. Kind of like Fort Lauderdale, A1A. Let's go check it out. Look, you actually got a road here. Look at this. Get food here? How's the food? Good today? Oh, awesome. Ask the people that are eating it. They'll tell you. What's up, guys? How convenient. They have benches, stones, lots of stones. Mick Jagger would feel right at home here.
Here we are at the number 5 restaurant with hummus, bread, and tapenade. Oh, look. What do we have?
Handmade potato. I guess you can call them fries, but they're just crispiest, marvelous potatoes practically ever you've had.
And it came with some kind of a dip.
Kind of a lemony mustard or something. And the hummus is really cool.
Yeah.
And
And not to mention the bread. I mean, all of this right here
And the olive oil.
is like a meal in itself. Wow. Didn't expect this. And what's the name of the place?
The 5.
The 5 in Chania on the boardwalk. And this is the cod with some kind of
It's a pistachio crusted cod.
pistachio crust. And then this is the
Mushroom risotto with truffle sauce.
Mmm.